I'm going to the fridge. Do you want some?
Yeah, sure.
What do you want?
Can I have a Coke?
Yeah, I'll get it.
There's something here! Oh no. Hey, where's that Coke? Hey, this is diet. Dave? We'll be right there. Dave? Dave, what the hell are you doing on the floor?
You all right? Yeah. Someone's in the house. Call the cops.
All right. What the? It's dead.
All right, you go over there. He's probably still in the house.
You got it. Be careful.
I will.
Damn!
I'm going home.
Three, two, one. Little bird. Tweet. All right.
Are you hungry?
No. I'm not. I just ate.
I'm gonna go get something in the fridge. I'm going to the fridge. Do you want something?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
You wanna know what I want?
Okay.
Vince!
Yeah.
No! You gotta roll it!
It goes under the bed.
Hey, this is diet! Dave? Oh god! 3, 2, 1. Okay, Vince, let's go at it again. Good blooper.
Whoa.
Dave,
Oh god.
Oh god.
Let me tie my shoe.
would you like a Coke?
All right.
Okay.
3,
Yeah.
2, 1.
What happened?
Someone's in the house. Call 911, man. Call them now.
Man, so stupid.
Someone's in the house.
You sure?
Call the cops, man. Go.
Your alarm just went off.
Oh no. Okay. 3 sucks.
Mommy.
I dropped David again.
3, 2, 1.
What the? It's dead.
No, it's not.
It hurt. Oh. How close were you? Not close.
That was so stupid. You want to keep it?
Very good. That looked great. No, it looked like shit. It looked like shit. Get up there and do it again.
Kind of delayed there, Vince.
Stand back.
Yeah. Yeah. I'll jump.
I'll just like come down like I'm cracking.
Yeah.
Yeah. Andy can come up and like hit me. in the back or something.
No, we don't want Andy doing anything.
That sucked.
Oh, I forgot to throw him back. That was good, Vince.
Nice control there. Oh, fuck! Did I get you? I pounded him in the nose.
I'm just waiting for Vince's reaction here.
We're using that one.
Hey Vince, do you want to hit David in the next scene?
Oh, hold on.
You okay?
I'm just bending my glasses back in place.
We're gonna cut now.
Don't move.
Hey, thanks.
Don't move. I don't think it looked. You gotta.
Well, I got just bend down. I'll just pick. No, just like
Yeah, and then you can push me over.
Okay, 3, 2,
Your arms are.
1. You can see the camera's reflection. It's the red light. Here, I'll show you how to. Okay, that's good.
Oh, good thing you showed me that.
3,
Nice.
2.
Shut up.